Okay guys, it's Drew Sparks, and I'm here today with a 7610 Ford with a 7210 bucket and the arms and whatnot. It's currently connected with a rake. We are baling hay and raking it, or raking and baling, either one. I rake them rows and that one up there. But here's the PTO. I don't know if y'all are interested in stuff like that, but you know, whatever. You got your motor here with one, either two or one. Holy shit, that belt needs to be replaced. Filters. It leaks hydraulic fluid, but yeah, I'll show you how she works. Climb up on here. See, basically you have your high and your low. So I'll show you how this works. Let's say you want to go too low. You'll go here. Let's see. That's one. That's two. And then you push that in for low. So you pull that back out for neutral. You pull that back out for neutral. See how it wiggles? Let's say you want to go 8 high. You're gonna go over and hold on. You're gonna go over all the way and pull down, and that's 8 high, and you're going like 20 miles an hour. This is your brake. You press that and you pull this, like you twist it and it'll go down. But that's your parking brake. You pull this down to raise it up, push it up to push it down, push it over this way to raise the, like, turn the bucket up like that. Go that way and the bucket goes down. So I mean, it's pretty basic. So how do you turn your PTO on this? All you do is just turn that like that, and that PTO turns on. Then you pull it down for the PTO to turn off. So how to start it? You turn that key all the way. How to stop it? You just pull that out. So that's basically it. Hopefully you like this video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.